back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another high-paying work-from-home job lead. Most of you have probably heard of California Closets. They are a big company that does custom closets in homes. Now, this is a 6-month temporary position. This is a full-time 40-hour per week job, though. You do have to live in the United States, but they are looking for a sourcing data administrator, and they are paying very, very well. They are paying anywhere from $30 an hour up to $32 an hour. Now, the sourcing data administrator is focused on upload and maintenance of their ERP sourcing, ensuring that it's clean and accurate. So you'll create and leverage existing workflow and data preparation tools. You'll be responsible for data integrity between the ERP and other resource planning operation platforms, organization through partnerships, and various internal and external customers. ERP management responsibilities will include leading the compilation, organization, and communication of all sourcing related information and documentation, including system-wide sourcing updates. You'll also act as the support to the sourcing team, providing ad hoc administrative assistance. So that may include scheduling vendor meetings, including setting agendas, publishing recaps as needed for those meetings, and requesting and tracking product samples and managing that vendor documentation. You'll also create, organize, and lead a sourcing data strategy with vendor pricing and swiftly manage any changes in supplier details. Now, because they are paying very, very well, they are looking for someone who does have a little bit of experience. They're looking for someone who has a minimum of 3 years of ERP experience working in master data ownership, someone who has a minimum of 3 years experience in some kind of business data or analytics role, someone who understands business and cross-functional requirements. You've got to be able to know how to use a PowerPoint and Zoom. Someone who has excellent organization and time management skills. You have to be disciplined and a self-starter, and be able to manage conflict well. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.